Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Celestial Space Facts. In this channel, we focus on giving definite information regarding various topics related to space, astronomy, astrophysics, cosmology, celestial, and many more coming up. We really hope you are gaining and knowledge from this channel of ours. Today's topic of video is Canis Minor constellation. Canis Minor is a small constellation in the northern sky. Its name means the smaller dog or the lesser dog in Latin. The constellation represents one of the dogs following Orion, the hunter in Greek mythology. The other dog is represented by larger neighboring constellation Canis Major. Both constellations were first catalogued by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century. Canis Minor is a home to Procyon, one of the brightest stars in the sky, Linton Star, one of the nearest stars to the Earth, and the spiral galaxy NGC 2485, among other notable objects. Facts, location, and map. Canis Minor is the 71st largest constellation in the sky, occupying an area of 183 square degrees. It is one of the 15 equatorial constellations. It lies in the second quadrant of northern hemisphere and can be seen at the latitude between plus 90 degree and minus 75 degree. The neighboring constellations are Cancer, Gemini, Hydra, and Monoceros. The constellation name Canis Minor is pronounced Canis Minor. In English, the constellation is known as Lesser Dog. The genitive form of Canis Minor used in the star names is Canis Minoris, the three-letter abbreviation adopted by the International Astronomer Unit. Canis Minor belongs to the Orion family of constellations, along with Canis Major, Lapierus, Monoceros, and Orion. Canis Minor does not contain any major object, nor does it have any stars with known planets. The brightest star in the constellation is Procyon Alpha Canis Minor, which is also the seventh brightest star in the sky. There is one meteor shower associated with the constellation, the Canis Minoroids. Canis Minor contains two formally named stars. The star name approved by IAU, International Astronomer Unit, are Gomsia and Procyon. Myth. Canis Minor is most commonly identified as the one of the dogs following Orion, the hunter in the Greek myth. In another legend, the constellation is said to represent Mara, the dog of unlucky winemaker. Icarus met his end of the hand of the group of shepherds to whom he had offered wine. The shepherds had never tasted wine before and thought Icarus had poisoned them. Mara found Icarus' body and ran his daughter Eragon. Both daughter and the dog are overwhelmed with the grief and took their own lives. Hyginus confused the myth somewhat in his writing. When king of Zeus and god Apollo, who was also his father, was advised on saving his people from starvation, he was told to pray the Zeus. In yet another myth, Canis Minor is identified as Tumesian fox, the animal that could not be outrun and was eventually turned into stone by Zeus, who was also turned its hunter to stone. Canis Minor stars. Alpha Canis Minoris. Procyon is the brightest star in Canis Minor and seventh brightest star in the sky. It has apparent magnitude of 0.34. Procyon is not extraordinarily bright itself but is located pretty close to the Sun. It lies only 11.41 light years away. It is the 13th nearest star system to our own. The star name is derived from Greek, which means before the dog. It is also sometimes called Canis, which means the same thing in Latin. The star got this name because it rises before Sirius, the dog star in the sky, when observed from the most northern latitude. Procyon is binary star system composed of white main sequence star. Procyon A, which belongs to spectral class F5, fourth and fifth, and Procyon B, a Da type faint white dwarfs as the companion. Procyon A has 1.4 solar masses and is 7.5 times more luminous than the Sun, while Procyon B has zero point 0.6 solar masses and an apparent magnitude of 10.7. Scientists believe that life is unlikely in Procyon system because the habitable zone may not contain stable orbits because of presence of white dwarfs and also because Procyon emits more of its light in ultraviolet spectrum, which is damaging to the life forms. Procyon is a part of Winter Triangle Astron along the series in Canis Major and Betelgeuse in constellation Orion. It is also one of the vertices of Winter Hexagon along with the star Capella in Auriga in Taurus, Pollux in Gemini, and Sirius in Canis Major. Beta Canis Minor. Gamesa is the second brightest star in Canis Minor, is a hot B8 type main sequence star classified as the Gamma Caspilor variable. It rotates rapidly and exhibits irregular variations in luminosity because of the outflow of major. These stars are also known as shell stars because they are surrounded by a disk of ejected material which is heated up by the star's emission. Gamma Canis Minors. Gamma is the double star, a spectroscopic binary approximately 395 light years from the Earth. It has an apparent magnitude of 4.33. The main star in the system is an orange K-type giant. An unresolved companion has an orbital period of 389 days. C Canis Minoros is another binary star approximately 261 light years distant. It is an orange K-type giant with the magnitude of 4.39. Linton Star is a red dwarf approximately 12.36 light years from the Earth. It has an apparent magnitude of 9.87, which makes it very faint to observe. Deep sky objects in Canis Minor. Canis Minor contains a number of deep sky objects, but all are very faint and difficult to observe. The brightest is the spiral galaxy NGC 2485 with an apparent magnitude of 12.4. The galaxy is located 3.5 degrees northeast of Procyon. Its coordinates are 756.48.7 plus 728.39. We really hope that you got to know about Stan Minor constellation with this video of ours. We have compiled this video on the basis of our knowledge which we gathered after studying and analyzing various stuff regarding the topic. We really hope you receive knowledge. In the end, last but not the least, please do comment, like, support, and subscribe to our Celestial Space Facts. We will be posting more and more in the near future. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love, have a nice day, and please be safe and be kind, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you.